So next one, find the values of lambda and mu so that the system of equations x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1, 2x minus 3y plus z is equal to 2, and x minus y plus lambda z is mu have no solution, infinite solution and unique solution. So for this system we have to find the unknowns lambda and mu so that the system is having no solution, and so that the system is having infinite solution and the system is having unique solution. So for that, as in the previous case, we have to write the augmented system. Augmented system is coefficients and the right hand side, then reducing it into echelon form, so that first row first column is 1 and below that it is 2, so that R2 gives R2 minus 2R1, so that it is 0. Then R3 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, so R3 gives R3 minus R1. Then applying this transformation we get 1 minus 2 3, it is 1. Then second row 2 minus 2 0, minus 3 plus 4 1, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 2 minus 2 0. Then R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 2 1, lambda minus 3 and mu minus 1. Okay. Then again the leading non-zero entry in the second row is 1 and below that entry it is 1. So we have to convert this 1 to 0. So apply, what is the transformation? R3 gives R3 minus, just R3 gives R3 minus R2, just subtraction. So first row remains the same, it is not changing. 1 minus 2 3 1 and 0 1 minus 5 0. Then subtracting 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, lambda minus 3 plus 5, lambda plus 2, mu minus 1 minus 0, mu minus 1. So now it is in the reduced form, echelon form. Each row has having a non-zero entry and below that entry they are all zeros. So first condition is that system is having no solution. So what is the condition for having no solution? It is rank of AB not equal to rank of A. So this is the part of A and this is the whole matrix is AB. So rank of A can be different, means rank of A can be 2 and rank of AB can be 3. Okay, because A is the smaller matrix, A is contained in B. So rank of A can be 2 and rank of AB can be 3. So in that case they will be different and having no solution. So what is the condition for having a rank of A as 2? Rank of A is equal to 2 if this element is 0, right? So if lambda plus 2 is 0, then rank will be 2. That means lambda is equal to minus 2. Then rank of AB will be 3 if in this case lambda is we have put lambda minus 2, so this element is 0. So rank of A remains 3 only if this element is non-zero. Okay, so mu minus 1 is 0 means mu minus 1 is not equal to 0. If it is 0, rank will be 2 itself. So if mu minus 1 is not equal to 0, that is mu is not equal to 1, in this case we will be getting rank of AB as 3. So it is satisfied that rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. So in this case we will be having no solution. Second condition is that the system may have infinite solution. So what is the condition for having infinite solution? Rank of AB is equal to rank of A, but both are less than number of variables. Here there are 3 variables, so both are less than 3 means this may be 2. Okay, 2 is less than 3, rank may be 2. So by looking into the matrix, rank of A is equal to 2 when rank of A will be 2 if lambda plus 2 is 0 or if lambda is minus 2. Okay, and rank of AB also equals 2 if when will be the rank of AB is also 2? We have put lambda as minus 2, so this element is 0, so rank of AB should also equal to 2 means this element also vanish, that is mu minus 1 is 0. So if mu minus 1 is 0, that is if mu is 1. So in this case the system is having infinite solution if lambda is minus 2 and mu is 1. Okay. Next condition is that unique solution. When will the system is having unique solution? So what is the condition for having unique solution? Rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to number of variables. That is, it is 3. So rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3. When it is 3, that is when lambda plus 2 is, rank of A is 3 if lambda plus 2 is not equal to 0. So this element is remains non-zero. So rank of A is 3. And what about rank of B? Rank of B, this element is including in B also, AB also. So if it is non-zero, then rank of AB will be also is equal to 3. Whatever may be the value, this element, mu minus 1, either it is 0 or non-zero. It remains the, here lambda plus 2 remains as non-zero element. So that element constitutes to the rank of whole matrix. So rank of AB will be the same. Rank of A is 3. That means rank of AB is also 3. Whatever may be mu minus 1. If it is 0 or not 0. So in this case rank of AB is 3. Rank of A is 3. First of all we will discuss about rank of A. Rank of A is 3. If lambda plus 2 is not equal to 0, that is if lambda is not equal to minus 2. In this case rank of AB is also 3. Then rank of AB also 3. So mu can have any value. Either it is 0 or non-zero. Okay.